Glitter Wallpaper is a popular Android application that specializes in providing users with a wide range of eye-catching, glitter-themed wallpapers for their devices. The app features a vast collection of high-quality images designed to add a touch of sparkle and glamour to the home and lock screens of smartphones and tablets. Users can browse through various categories and styles, including abstract designs, festive themes, nature-inspired glitter effects, and more. The app's interface is user-friendly, enabling easy exploration and quick downloads of desired wallpapers. Many images are customizable, allowing users to adjust colors or effects to better suit their personal tastes. In addition to its extensive gallery, Glitter Wallpaper often includes features such as daily new wallpaper updates, favorites lists, and the ability to set wallpapers directly from the app. This makes it a great choice for those looking to enhance the aesthetic appeal of their devices with vibrant and visually striking designs. Overall, Glitter Wallpaper serves as an excellent tool for anyone wanting to express their style through dazzling backgrounds on their Android devices.